Fair to have to follow a speaker like our new president. But I'm here. Double it down. I'd like to thank Milica and the Serbian community for welcoming me here back again. I feel very comfortable here. My ancestors and parents all came from the same part of the world, so I was raised with many of the same traditions and the food as well, which you will never forget. It's almost like a little bit of deja vu. About 2 years ago, I was standing here looking down at a gentleman by the name of Jason Kenny, and I stated that it was such an honor to share the stage with the future Premier of Alberta. Isn't it great when things work out the way you like?